So I'm going to first go in the affordable and then in the expensive category. अब अगर आप लगाओगे, it's this creamy texture. Sara, you're supposed to shake the lipstick and then apply. This is very close in a dupe, so I think it's a worth the money palette. इसका texture एकदम thick है. You're gonna get a lot of good recommendations. Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I am sharing like a quarterly favorites video with you all where I'm going to list some of my current favorite beauty products. I wouldn't say they are favorites since Jan, Feb, March because कुछ products अभी launch हुए हैं. But you wouldn't have seen me speak about this in my vlogs or any other videos. I've also been away from social media for a little bit in between. And इतने ज़्यादा products launch हुए but मैं दुनिया से गायब नहीं हुई थी ना. I was trying all these products and I was seeing and loving so much, and so many products I've been obsessed with using, but I feel like I haven't shared them with you all. And this time I have divided it. I've kept like affordable is side and expensive products is side because वरना ऐसा होता है कि when I jumble it up, some people just are here for the affordable recommendations, some are just here for the luxury ones, some are here for everything. So I'm going to first go in the affordable and then in the expensive category. आप देख सकते हो affordable में ज़्यादा products हैं मेरे पास, and in no way are there dupes. There are some dupes, like one or two, but not all of them are dupes. So they're just different products which I'm absolutely loving. You're going to get a lot of good recommendations. And अभी नायका पे सेल भी चल रही है, उनकी Skintastic sale is live, so स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स पे बहुत अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स हैं, and their Pinkfluence party sale is also live. So you can click on all the links in the description box and get some really great discounts. आपको ईद की शॉपिंग करनी है या कोई भी रीजन से शॉपिंग करनी है, then you can. I'm going to keep it super quick, so if you're interested, continue watching. But if this is the first time you've come onto my channel, then hi, I'm Sara. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sara squad. I'm sure you'll love it here, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. And with that, we can dive straight into this. Okay guys, before I dive into the video, I also want to say a huge thank you for 1.5 million Sara squad. We're such a big family now, and वो बहुत time तक 1.4 पे अटका था, तो I was just waiting कि कब आगे बढ़ेगी हमारी गाड़ी. And I'm so grateful that we are now a family of 1.5 million. I'm also doing a giveaway anywhere in this video, so stay tuned for that. In between कहीं पे भी आ जाएगा और rules उधर mentioned होंगे. So with that, let's dive straight into this. I'm going to start from the affordable section. The first thing I have over here is the L'Oreal Metal DX shampoo. Honestly, for colored hair, this is the best shampoo I have ever tried. I've tried expensive shampoos. I've tried even cheaper than this. This is I think 1000 या 800 की price range में, और इस पे discount भी आता है. L'Oreal Metal DX range is amazing. The shampoo, the hair mask and the serum, मेरे पास तीनों products हैं. I'm very religiously using all the three. This is one shampoo which is almost over, and this is sulfate free, but it is for colored hair. It's a great shampoo. If you have color treated hair, you must give this a shot. And with this right now, after I cut my hair, I'm using the Dove's 10-in-1 Shine Revive hair treatment mask. And what, like, Dove's hair masks have always had my heart. I think they are such great quality. इतने सस्ते होते हैं और इतना अच्छा deep hydration देते हैं ना. मैंने कोई भी सस्ता hair mask आज तक यूज नहीं किया है जो इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म करता है. बहुत deep hydration देता है. वो जो shine मेरे बालों में आपको दिख रहा है, वो moisturization वो इससे आता है. And the only reason I cut my hair is because once you have those split ends and dead ends, even using good products, it's not going to work for you. And when I color my hair so often, plus I heat treat it, my hair ends do get dry. Weather change also does affect my hair quite a lot. So I chopped off the ends so that the moisturization would go deep within, and now my hair is like really soft and beautiful, and they're looking really great in videos. The shine is there and all because of this hair mask. So highly recommend. Like, this is one of my favorite products. Like, Dove's hair care is genuinely really good. Even their body care is good, but the hair masks are absolutely a luxury hair masks at an affordable price. Then I want to give like a huge shout out for my Pack Sara Dewy Hydrating Mist. This is the one product which will treat your cakey makeup. I don't know क्या हुआ जब weather change हुआ ना, मेरी skin ऐसी सूख गई. Like, the weather has recently changed in Mumbai. Like, it went from this chilly nights to अभी एकदम गर्मी आ गई, और जितनी ठंडक थी हवा में सब चली गई, बहुत ज़्यादा humidity आ गई, and my face just started developing these dry patches. Plus मैं रोजा रख रही हूँ तो मैं एकदम डिहाइड्रेटेड हूँ, एंड मेरी पूरी स्किन ऐसी सूख गई है ना कि अगर मैं मेकअप लगा रही हूँ, इट्स लुकिंग सो बैड. आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू फिल्म वीडियोस बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ पैची माय मेकअप वाज लुकिंग. बट देन ऑन अ कपल ऑफ ओकेजन्स व्हाट आई डिड वाज जस्ट स्प्रे दिस मिस्ट आफ्टर माय फुल मेकअप इज डन एंड वेट फॉर 10-15 मिनट्स. और थोड़ा देर बस मैं रुकी ना, ये जो मिस्ट ऐसा जादू करता है ना, आपके जितने भी केकी पैचेस है सबको ब्लेंड कर देगा ऑटोमेटिकली. आई फील लाइक इट्स अ मैजिक वॉन्ड दैट जस्ट ब्लेंड्स योर मेकअप and just takes away the cakey patches, just makes your makeup sit so beautifully and look so skin-like. So if you have dry skin, if you suffer with makeup looking very cakey on your skin, you need to give my Pack Exara Dewy Hydrating Mist a shot. Then let's go into sunscreens because summer aa raha hai. So I have like 3 sunscreens over here which I absolutely love right now in the affordable section. 3 sunscreens and 1 sunscreen plus moisturizer. So 4 in total. So Hyphen recently reformulated their sunscreen. This is their all I need sunscreen. और मैंने जब YouTube Shorts पे Hyphen का review किया था, I told you that the sunscreen is my least favorite product because एकदम पिल्ला हो जाता था, ऐसा लगाओ ना तो फिर ऐसे balls बन के निकल जा रहे थे. But recently I saw on their Instagram उन्होंने reformulate किया है and this sunscreen came to me in PR after that and now the sunscreen's formulation is beautiful. This has SPF of 50 and PA 4+ and it's a really good sunscreen अभी. अब अगर आप लगाओगे it's this creamy texture and it will nicely melt into the skin and give a very beautiful glow. अभी बिल्कुल भी वो ऐसा balls बन के नहीं निकलेगा. तो if you apply makeup on top of it also your skin will be very hydrated. So now Hyphen sunscreen is really good in case you're wondering. You want to check this out, you can. It's a great product. Then Wishcare is nice and I have 2 of this. This is so good if you have dry skin. Like I said, my skin is super dry right now and it's great for a lot of skin types, not just dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, you're gonna love it because एकदम से skin में absorb हो जाता है. उसके बाद ये बिल्कुल भी आपकी skin को वो shine, चमक, white cast कुछ भी नहीं देगा. I also feel it's super user friendly and it's very Korean sunscreens like. Then I have my Dot & Key's Super Bright Vitamin C sunscreen. This is also something that I've loved using in this summer and I've kept this in the bedroom. So मैंने mostly bedroom से products निकाले हैं. Again, a great texture, very lightweight. It's less lightweight than Wishcare. It's a little thicker if you want a little thicker consistency. But ये सारे जितने भी sunscreens मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ सारों में white cast नहीं है and they actually work. Like they are not sunscreens for the name of it, you know. They are sunscreens which have filters and they do actually work. Wishcare वाला तो मैंने Andaman में भी carry किया था and it works really well. Then Earth Rhythm recently launched this product. Like I used it once and I'm like wow, this is so good underneath makeup, especially in the morning. कभी-कभी मैं सुबह makeup करती हूँ, मैं पूरा दिन मेरा makeup रहता है, तो I apply this in the morning and the skin looks so good, like so hydrated and it has SPF 50 PA triple. So this has a lot of good ingredients. It has vitamin C, niacinamide, alpha arbutin, 48 hours of hydration. So it has your serum के properties, it has a moisturizer and it has a sunscreen because it has SPF 50 PA triple plus और उनके पास एक और है PA 4+ वाला भी. तो बहुत अच्छा product है, मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा because I think जब मैं बहुत कंटाला करती हूँ makeup करने, फटाफट makeup करना है, I've kept this in my makeup bag. I just put this, I don't put primer also, I don't put serum, I don't put moisturizer, nothing. I just put this and then I directly go in with my tinted moisturizer or I go in with my foundation and I like quickly do my like for a quick girly, for a girly on the go. If you're an office goer, you need to check this out. Even if you're a teenager who are looking for good skin products, you're gonna love that. Next, I want to give a huge shout out to the Venusia Terra Plus Hydrating Lotion. ये छोटी bottle again मुझे PR में आई थी, but it was so hydrating that I bought the big size also. This is for the body by the way. This is not for the face. और ये मुझे Dermat ने बहुत सालों पहले दिया था. It's a brand that I forgot, you know. वो एक बार Dermat देता है, खरीदो, फिर उसके बाद लगाओ, भूल जाता है इंसान वापस खरीदने के लिए. But now it's available on Nykaa and that time they send me PR and it's honestly, it says dermatologist #1 recommended brand. It is really good if you have dry skin on the body. I have really dry skin on my body. I don't know how my skin has become so dry over the years. I used to have really oily skin, but now my skin's super dry. Maybe because I'm in AC all the time. I'm more indoors. I don't go out that much. That's the reason my skin's become very dry. I don't know. But this is working really well for me. It's a very fast absorbing body lotion. It has no fragrance. It is just simple. It does the job and it's affordable too. I have one more very good body care product that I recently like bought in the last Nykaa sale और अभी I'm obsessed. Okay, once a week I'm doing this. It's like my pamper session. I see all these shower routines on Instagram जहाँ लोग 25 step के shower routine कर रहे हैं. I'm like भाई इतना time किसके पास है? Honestly, I can't do 25 minutes. You know when you're in the water for so long आपके हाथ से wrinkly और झुर्रियाँ आ जाती है. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद इतना देर bathroom में रहने. I am a very quick shower girly. I like to do like everything का one step on a different day. Like I'll do a hair mask on a different day. I'll do a body shave on a different day. I'll do like body mask on a different day. Like I'll never do everything in one hair shower because I can't stay in the shower for so long. I don't know if anybody's like me, but I'm like that. So I can't do everything on one day, but once a week when I feel like it and I want to just, you know, exfoliate, I feel like बहुत ऐसा ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. But if I feel like a lot of dead skin, especially after a holiday or something, I want to remove like dead skin from my body. This is beautiful. This smells so good. I don't even use body wash after this. I just apply it's a body scrub and I had completely stopped using body scrubs because I feel like they cause micro tears in the body, causes more hyperpigmentation and that is is a thing, that's definitely a thing, but इसके जो beads है ना वो इतने बड़े नहीं है. It's very fine. It's so good in smell. Like अभी इस पे ढक्कन है, but you can smell it through it. Like, it's so good. It's like cocoa butter. It's basically brown sugar and coconut butter, and it's deep, profound. It's very deeply hydrating, and उसके बाद body ऐसी मक्खन जैसी feel करती है ना, आपको body lotion लगाने का भी मन नहीं करेगा. But you should put it. Will of course hydrate and it will absorb on the body care products a lot more. I feel like after I started using this, मेरी skin इतनी ज़्यादा dry नहीं feel कर रही, because अब वो exfoliation हो रहा है, and अब मैं जो भी product लगा रही हूँ उससे deep hydration हो रहा है. So it's something that I would highly recommend if you just want to pamper yourself a little extra in your shower. This is my last body care product I have for you. Last one, face moisturizer. Super like great shout out for the summers. You're gonna love using the Dot & Key's Vitamin C Super Bright Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite drugstore moisturizers. It's so bouncy. It, in my opinion, only and only my opinion, because whenever I try to dupe Moisture Surge, everyone comes at me कि नहीं ये Moisture Surge जैसा नहीं है. This in texture and hydration can be very, very close to Clinique Moisture Surge, and I'm coming from a place that I am a Clinique Moisture Surge loyalist. Like, look at the amount of Moisture Surges I have emptied. I have one more active one in my bedroom, and मेरे को Moisture Surge बहुत पसंद है. It's one of my favorite, most used moisturizers. I think, the most loyal buyer of Clinique Moisture Surge. They don't even send me PR. I buy it, okay? I purchase it with my money, and I love it so much. My skin drinks up the moisture. This is very close in a dupe because it's literally 300-400 rupees. Bouncy in texture. It just absorbs into the skin and it lasts like a really long time. The hydration will last on your skin. So I love the texture. Is one of my favorite parts of the Dot & Key's Vitamin C. Like, it's that bouncy jelly like texture, very, very hydrating and super good. Like, one of my favorite moisturizers from Dot & Key, hands down. And this is my favorite. Okay, last face skincare in the affordable category is my Ordinary's Niacinamide. You can see it's over. It's one of my favorite serums ever. I can tell you that because it's such a safe ingredient. जब भी skin inflamed है, skin irritated है, I go back to my niacinamide. I go back to my roots, and this is one of the best niacinamides on the market, which is also very affordable. If you're a teenager, अगर आप just अपना skincare शुरू कर रहे हो, you have marks, you have pigmentation. I know there's a lot of advanced skincare now, but you want to start with the basics, and that's why this is one of my favorites. Even today, it's the OG for me. Niacinamide in general and the Ordinary's Niacinamide, one of my favorites. And the Wishcare Underarm Roll-On Serum is my last body product or skin product in general. I think Wishcare's products are all about the texture. The texture is so user friendly. Like, you will love using their products. अगर आप लगाओगे आपको ऐसा लगेगा हाँ भाई मैं और लगा सकती हूँ. बिल्कुल भी वो चिपचिपा फीलिंग उन लोग देते ही नहीं उनके कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में. एंड ये भी एकदम वाटरी है. इसको थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. You roll it on your underarms, take a little bit of time to just dry up, but then you don't sweat all day. It's really good. Before this, I used to use Nivea. I've used Be Body Wise also. I really like Be Body Wise also. I like Nivea also. Underarm roll-on, I think it's OG, but I do really, really like the Wishcare one. Next, we are diving into the hair care. हो गया था shampoo and hair mask. Hair growth serum Wishcare का I'll give a special shout out. जितने भी बाल मेरे उगरे हैं वापस, थोड़े बहुत भी उगरे हैं, it's all happening because of the hair growth serum. I tell you all this in every video, and you can see a lot of baby hairs cropping up in the last quarter. I think Jan to March मैं बहुत religiously इसको use कर रही थी. पहले I used to use it like ऐसा मन किया तो use कर लिया, कभी कभार लगाया, but अब मैं ऐसी शिद्दत से इसको use कर रही हूँ ना, because अब मुझे बाल उगाने की जरूरत है. Like, if I'm tying a ponytail and all, I'm seeing bald patches and it's stressing me out because after I lost weight and plus with the amount of stress I have in my life, I lose a lot of hair occasionally. Like, especially last year, I lost a lot of hair because of weight loss, and उसके last to last year because of hair styling. तो मेरे in general 2 साल में इतने बाल झड़े हैं कि अभी उगाना, like this year's motive is कि बाल उगाओ. तो बाल उगाओ आंदोलन में I have religiously been using this and it's working. Like, अगर आप इसको शिद्दत से यूज करोगे ना तो वो actually काम करेगा. मेरी दूसरी बॉटल है in this year itself, and again the texture, like I said, is lightweight. It's such a like user friendly spray. आप देख सकते हो पानी जैसा है, एकदम झट से आपके स्कैल्प में अब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है. 4-5 पंप लगाओ, मसाज करो, रात को सो जाओ, बस. Nothing to do. After 3 days I wash my hair, again I apply. So I will do like 3 hair washes in the week, and I use this shampoo. It's sulfate free, it's simple, it's good. This is my hair care routine in a nutshell for y'all, which you can stick to, and literally the entire hair care routine with scalp serum, shampoo and hair mask is under 2000 rupees, which will last you for 3 months. I think it's great. Now we'll dive into makeup, and for makeup I have like this new launch. I think the most attractive thing about me right now is my lipstick. You're all gonna ask which lipstick, Sarah, and this is the lipstick I'm wearing. Maybelline recently launched this Vinyl Ink Sauce collection, and I'm obsessed with these two lipstick shades. I remember the love-hate relationship I had with this lipstick when the formula had just launched. मैंने इसको YouTube live पे try किया था, and मैं इतनी confused थी. मैंने जैसी खोली में लगाई, ऐसा पानी जैसा texture आया, and I was like, छी इतनी चिपचिपी है, and immediately लगाते के साथ I went ahead and pressed my lips together, and ऐसा किया नहीं कि पूरी चिपक गई लिपस्टिक, इतनी पैची थी, and I hated it. I immediately gave my review कि I don't like this lipstick. And then all of my Sarah squad was like, Sarah, you're supposed to shake the lipstick and then apply. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll give it another shot. And ever since then, this formula has been something that really is that formula that I'll go for when I don't want to touch up my lipstick at all. It's one of the most long wearing lipstick formula. Like the whole Superstay range is super long wearing, and this is such a long wearing lipstick with this beautiful shine which will make your lips look very attractive, and even through your food, even through a long party या कोई शादी में जा रहे हो या कुछ, इतनी सुंदर लगती है. मेरी फेवरेट हो गई है ये, स्पेशली द न्यू कलेक्शन, क्योंकि ये कलर्स इतने ज्यादा मेरे टाइप के कलर्स है. मैं ऐसे कलर्स बहुत पहनती हूँ. दिस कलर आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ इज स्वीट एंड सार. इट्स दिस ब्यूटीफुल ब्राउन कलर, एंड देन द शेड बारबेक्यू इज दिस maroon matte brown kind of a shade. This is also very beautiful. It's super dark. Like if you like a bold lipstick, then you're gonna love it. Look at that color. But of course, keep in mind when you're applying these lipstick, you gotta shake. Like don't be like me, don't be stupid and don't not shake it. तो अगर आप खरीदोगे, shake it अच्छे से and then apply, and don't immediately press your lips. Wait, let it dry, and then you can do whatever you want, and then you'll have this beautiful lipstick all through the day, which will stay glossy, it'll stay shiny, it'll stay put, and बहुत सुंदर है. मतलब ईद के लिए अगर आपको चाहिए, buy this. Like buy barbecue or buy sweet and sour, and you're gonna have this beautiful brownie nude lipstick color, which will look so good on you. Then I found the Mars cheek and lip tint, this beautiful color, and I was like, ऐसा blush मैंने पहले भी कभी use किया, मेरे पास है ऐसा कुछ तो है. Of course, I have so many blushes, right? But this one is exactly the same color. Like again, it's a very dark color, not for the faint-hearted. It's a dark, like dark burgundy, and Mars के blushes बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented होते हैं. It's a lip and cheek tint, so you can of course like fade it out and blend it out. Blend it out अच्छे से. तो अगर आप you like that faded lip appearance, you'll really like this. This is in the shade 04. They don't have any name for it. And my exact blush shade dupe that I have is the NYX Buttermelt blush. ये इंडिया में launch नहीं हुआ है. इसमें मैंने वीडियो बनाया था, and that video went viral, and all of you were like, कहाँ से खरीदे. मैं US से लेके आई थी, तो I didn't have any reference or link or anything for y'all. But my NYX Buttermelt blush is literally one of my favorite like bold blushes. This is in the shade Back and Butter, and it's this buttery formula. It's not the same formula as Mars. It's not a tint, but the color is very similar, like a deep burgundy, sort of a reddish color, very bold, not for the faint-hearted. Again, you have to, if you're using these, you need to know how to work your makeup. But if you're darker than me in complexion, this will look so beautiful on you, like so beautiful. Check this out if you want like a subtle lip and cheek tint in your collection. I really like the packaging. It's a dupe of the Kylie packaging, and it's a dupe of this blush. If you ever wanted to get your hands on this blush, you can now get a like similar one in the Mars one. So I got this dupe, and I was like, oh, I need to tell my Sarah squad. Next, since we're on the topic of Mars blushes, their new Sugar Rush blushes also, I'm obsessed with the formula. It's such a good formula. The shade Peach Pie is my favorite. This is such a nice lightweight peachy color, and ये बहुत like सभी complexions पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. It's a darker, like बहुत pigmented है. पहली बात तो इनके it says highly pigmented, and please trust it. I did a partnership with them for this month, and I've done a YouTube shorts. I've shown you how the color Red Velvet looks on me. Red Velvet is again very dark and बहुत ज़्यादा bold color है. तो अगर आपको थोड़ा subtle color चाहिए, you should go for Peach Pie. It's such a nice, pretty, peachy color. If you're fairer on complexion, it will look good on you. If you're deeper also, it will look really good on you. Nice peach color blush, and this is like 250 rupees. Very nice, and it's got this hydration to it. Like the tint is just a tint, but this got hydration, and this is very long lasting also. I've worn this, and it will not budge throughout the day. So the Mars Sugar Rush blush is super good. Now this product I'm using since 2 years. This is the Focus on Me blush and highlight palette in the shade medium, and this is the best palette if you're looking for एक product जिसमें मेरे को सब मिल जाएगा. मेरे को bronzer मिलेगा, blush मिलेगा, highlighter मिलेगा. तीनों चीज मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसमें से कुछ भी आपके लिए यूजफुल नहीं होगा. मैंने ये bronzer आज लगाया है, मैंने ये highlighter भी आज लगाया है. बहुत subtle highlight देता है, बहुत lit from within glow देता है, and whenever my blush needs a blush topping, I use this. I always travel with it because it's super travel friendly. It comes with a nice mirror and it's such a nice product. I've been traveling with it since 2 years. I've been using it in my this and I feel like it's super value for money. It is expensive. It's like 1,000 rupees something, but I can tell you अगर आप ये खरीदोगे you'll be sorted. Plus pack products are so good. Like I'm using this since 2 years. I'm sure it's expired, but it's not breaking me out. So it's okay. It's great. Like their formulations are so good. Then they launched the cream blushes, the pack, and I feel like these did not get enough of a moment in itself. I think liquid blushes are more easy to use. That's how people feel. But if you are somebody who likes एकदम हल्का सा ब्लश, मुझे ज्यादा पिगमेंट नहीं चाहिए, या आपकी एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, ओके, एक्ने प्रोन स्किन विल नॉट बी एबल टू यूज, लाइक इफ यू हैव एक्टिव एक्ने यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू यूज लिक्विड ब्लशेस बिकॉज वो और उसको एम्फेसाइज करेगा. आप हाइलाइटर भी यूज करोगे वो और उसको एम्फेसाइज करेगा. सो फॉर एक्ने स्किन टाइप लाइक हु हैज एक्ने एक्टिवली ऑन देयर चीक्स, आई वुड हाईली recommend using a velvet blush like this one. This is one of my favorite, the Velvet Rose. Such a buttery formula, like such a buttery formula, and can you see it's the lightest amount of color which you can of course build. आप color build कर सकते हो and एकदम soft matte finish देगा. तो ये बहुत सुंदर है उन लोगों के लिए जिनको acne हो रखा है and you cannot use dewy products. You can't use very hydrating products वरना और उस पे मतलब एकदम sweaty लगता है and that's not an attractive look. Then the on the go eyeshadow palette, the Glam eyeshadow palette in the shade Mauve is such a good eyeshadow palette. If you're going to be even a bright bee, you're gonna love this palette because it's got all the right shades of mauves and browns and glitters which are really pigmented. Like all the products, all the shadows in this palette are super pigmented from your mattes to your shimmers and everything in between. सभी पे बहुत ही सुंदर पिगमेंट है, बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड होता है and I've been using this palette a lot, so I felt like I need to tell you all. You can also see that there are darker burgundies and darker purples. There's champagne gold, bronzy gold. ये सारे कलर्स आप शादियों में बहुत यूज करोगे, ईद पे बहुत यूज करोगे. हल्का पुल्का पैलेट है, एकदम लाइट वेट है और क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है इसकी. Mars Cosmetics से I forgot to tell you all, the Zero Blend foundation is what I have on my face right now. It's a beautiful lightweight foundation. इसमें 10 shades आते हैं. This is the 10th shade that I'm using. So if you're darker than me, unfortunately you will not have a shade, but if you are my skin tone and an NC43 in MAC, you will love this foundation. It's super lightweight, it's very skin-like and it's very long wearing, doesn't crease, doesn't crack and looks very beautiful on camera also. So it's affordable, of course, it's Mars and it's great quality. So if you're looking for an affordable foundation, abhi Eid aa raha hai, aapko kuch chahiye, Mars one is something you should check out. Now quickly for the lip products, one of my most used brown lipsticks this particular quarter has been Lakme Absolute. This is the Bloom Powder Matte, the new one, and this is the shade Coco Carnation. बहुत सुंदर लिपस्टिक है और बहुत ही अच्छा ब्राउन कलर है, बहुत लॉन्ग वेयरिंग है. सो इफ यू आर स्टिल इनटू बुलेट लिपस्टिक्स, इट्स अ नाइस बुलेट लिपस्टिक व्हिच इज लॉन्ग वेयरिंग. इट्स पाउडर मैट फिनिश. आई थिंक इट्स अ ड्यूप ऑफ द मैक पाउडर मैट्स एंड द पैकेजिंग इज आल्सो सुपर लग्जूरियस. सच अ नाइस क्लासी पीस. व्हेनेवर इट्स इन माय ड्रॉअर ना, ये इमीडिएटली मुझे अट्रैक्ट करती है, इसलिए आई यूज दिस द मोस्ट. लाइक दिस वन माय मोस्ट वोन ब्राउन लिपस्टिक्स. देन द एल्फ लिप स्टेन. ओके, इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड लिप स्टेन जो टिके, यू नो सब लोग मुझे बोलते हैं ये लिप स्टेन तो टिकता ही नहीं, टिंट लगाओ चला जाता है, तो क्या फायदा टिंट लगा के. No, this lip stain is so long wearing. Like look at that color, it's a berry matte orange और इसको थोड़ी देर आप रखो. And nowadays this trend is going on Instagram जहां आप lip stain लगाओ और उसके ऊपर lipstick लगाओ, तो अगर lipstick चली गई तो भी lips पे stain रहेगा. And this is a great, like I'm a gym girly, I apply this, I go to the gym, that kind of a vibe. I do apply this and I go to the gym, so it's very something I use a lot and you get a good amount. This is the shade Spicy Sienna, one of my favorite lip stains ever, which is super long lasting. Then I've got my classic, like I started my channel and I've been obsessed with this ever since Nykaa Cosmetics has launched in general. This is my favorite Nykaa Cosmetics products, hands down, even today. This is their lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose. I have purchased so many Jade Roses. I again want to say that I think I'm the biggest buyer of the lip crayon Jade Rose because Jade Rose is the perfect nude pink for brown, deep brown skin tones like mine. इतनी सुंदर दिखती है ना, बिना मेकअप के भी आप पे सबसे सुंदर लिपस्टिक यही लगेगी. It is so pretty, super pretty. Like look at that color, oh my god, that is the most unique color. No luxury makeup company has also made such a unique deep purplish pinky nude. Like if you are fairer it will look very dark on you, but if you like, अभी यहाँ पे बहुत dark लग रही है, but मेरे पे on my lips, on my pigmented lips, it looks almost like a nude. It looks nude. It looks very, very flattering even without makeup, and that's what I love about it. You can see how much I've used, and all my jade roses are very nicely used. अगर आपको एक लिपस्टिक चाहिए ना मेरे को न्यूड फिनिश दे और मैं डीपर हूँ तो मुझे रोज की रोज भी काम आए, एंड इट्स फेयरली लॉन्ग वेयरिंग और अच्छे ओकेजन पे भी आप इसको पहन सकते हो. दिस इज इट. आई यूज दिस एज अ लिप लाइनर ऑल्सो समटाइम्स, एंड देन आई अप्लाई अ लाइटर लिपस्टिक इन बिटवीन. इट्स ऑलवेज, अगर कोई लिपस्टिक लगा हुआ नहीं अच्छी लग रही है ना, उसके ऊपर मैं ये लगा देती हूँ, एंड माई लाइफ इज गुड. तो जेड रोज इज माई फेवरेट. आई डोंट इवन travel without jade rose, and I feel like I've not spoken about it enough. Then quick shout out again to the Nykaa Cosmetics Super Light Cloud Lipstick. This is the shade Berry Blush. I applied this today and then I took it off. I applied this one, but it's a nice mauve pink color. My favorite shades from this Super Light Cloud lipstick range is Cinnamon Swirl and Scarlet something. Scarlet All Day और ऐसा कुछ नाम है उसका, या Crimson All Day ऐसा कुछ नाम है. Crimson color की red lipstick, मस्त red lipstick है और मस्त brown lipstick है. वो दोनों मेरे favorite shades है और इसका फॉर्मूला तो बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत लाइट वेट है, बहुत लॉन्ग वेयरिंग है. इसके बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत बोला है, तो आई एम गोना स्किप टू द नेक्स्ट. एंड अगेन इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत बोला है. दिस इज द रोमांस जीरो वेलवेट लिप टिंट. दिस इज द शेड फिज. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ नाइस डीप रेड कलर देन दिस इज द कलर फॉर यू. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल वेलवेट ब्लरिंग लिप कलर. लाइक नॉट, इसको लिप टिंट बोलते हैं बट ये एक्चुअली लिपस्टिक है. उसके बाद इसको हटाओगे तो उसका टिंट रह जाएगा. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ ड्यूप ऑफ द Fenty Beauty Velvet Blur, like that lipstick which is one of my favorite luxury lipsticks is the Fenty Beauty Velvet lipstick, and uska dupe is the Romand Zero Velvet tint. So it's very, very identical in formula, and the shade Fizz is a beautiful red color. I think this would be like MVP, which is Rihanna's favorite shade. And lastly, my favorite kajal. The kajal I have on my, at the time I've applied kajal. The kajal I have on right now is this René Kohl pencil. I love this kajal. It's so good. It's so long lasting and it doesn't make my eyes burn, which is one of the requisites for kajal for me. And ये मैंने अभी fresh वाली खोली है. So this in the affordable section, and in the luxury section the only kajal that suits me, which is not here, is the Bobbi Brown one. The Bobbi Brown in the expensive and the René in this. ये दो ही काजल अभी currently मैं यूज कर रही हूँ और मुझे अच्छे से सूट करते हैं, तो यही दो मेरे पास हमेशा पड़े रहते हैं. And I think ईद पे आप काजल जरूर लगाओगे अगर आपने René की Midnight Kohl नहीं ट्राई की है. They're one of my favorite products from René. I think this is a standout product from René. Absolutely. This one is, yeah, I don't think I'm using anything else from René. That's it for the affordable section. Okay, एक product मैं भूल गई affordable में बताने. This is a new Nykaa perfume that I'm obsessed with. This is the Love Struck one, the Tender Touch. मैं ऐसे छोटे samples ही मंगाए थे और just I wanted to try. मैंने इतने Nykaa के perfumes आज तक use नहीं किया. Actually मेरा first वाला है, I think, first वाला है जो मैंने use किया, and मैंने tester मंगाया खुद से. This is not PR and it's such a nice fragrance. It's very different. It says Love Struck and you might think it's super sweet or something, but no, it's very elegant and very like very, very soft girl aesthetic, not very long lasting. I'm letting you know about that. But ये pocket perfume है ना, तो आप इसको पर्स में डाल के बार बार लगा सकते हो because बहुत अच्छी perfume है. Plus it's under 200 and it's a recent find, so I really liked it. You will definitely smell floral, but you will smell an elegant kind of floral. A lot of daisies. Daisies are definitely there. Patchouli, daisies, those are the notes that I'm getting, and very nice perfume. So like luxury somewhere, but not in the long lasting. Like कभी भी मुझे affordable perfumes में सब लोग बोलते हैं कि लास्ट नहीं करी, सारा लास्ट नहीं करी. एक तो आप एक्सपेंसिव का वही प्राइस टैग देते हो क्योंकि लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स लास्ट वेरी लॉन्ग, विच इज व्हाई आई लाइक टू इन्वेस्ट इन लग्जरी परफ्यूम्स. अफोर्डेबल का यही प्रॉब्लम है, बट देन यू टच अप इफ दैट्स ओके विथ यू. द ओनली अफोर्डेबल परफ्यूम आई हैव सीन दैट लास्ट ऑन मी आर द प्लम वंस. दूर से भी लोग उसको स्मेल करके बोलेंगे व्हाट हैव यू अप्लाइड. इसके अलावा मैंने आज तक कोई भी अफोर्डेबल परफ्यूम यूज नहीं किया है जो आई गेट कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर अ सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग और समथिंग लाइक दैट. Here's a chance to win today's giveaway by subscribing to my channel. Comment your favorite product from today's video and you get a bonus entry if you follow me on Instagram. All the very best. Okay, now time for the luxury segment of products. So recently I got complimented for my fragrance as soon as I came into the office. So I've not been applying perfume during Ramzan और फिर मैं नहा के ऑफिस में आई and Bonita was like, what have you applied? And I was like, perfume तो अभी तक लगाया भी नहीं है because इत्तर मैं ये रूम में रखती हूँ and इत्तर लगाती हूँ मैं नमाज के बाद and that's it. Like पूरा दिन इत्तर रहता है मेरी बॉडी पे, तो मैंने लगाया नहीं था. like, क्या स्मेल आ रही है देखो, मैंने कुछ भी नहीं लगाई. and the body wash was also not the fragrant one. Then I remembered I applied this body body butter after bath, and oh my god, this lasts. The fragrance of this is so long lasting. This entire new collection from Sol de Janeiro is honestly the best Sol de Janeiro collection ever launched. This is their Delicia Drench body butter and the Delicia Drench collection. I have tried their Brazilian Bum Bum cream and almost every product from Sol de Janeiro मैंने try किया है, उनके सारे fragrances, because अगर मेरे पास नहीं है तो भी मैंने events attend किए, and all of their fragrances are very nice. Like they're blended very luxuriously, and I think they have a very elegant taste to them. So there is no fragrance which is like ew, like ऐसा नहीं feeling आता है. सब fragrance उनकी बहुत अच्छी है, but one of the biggest complaints I've heard from the brand is that none of the fragrances are long lasting. But I think that it's something different with this particular range, because this is a very long lasting fragrance range. I use the body roll on also. Like पहले मैंने body butter से शुरू किया, and the body butter is thick, like it's super thick. It's not one of the bum bum cream textures. Like bum bum cream का texture है वो बहुत lightweight है, इसका texture एकदम thick है. Like बिल्कुल भी ऐसा ज्यादा product नहीं लगेगा आपको. एकदम मैं थोड़ा सा लेती हूँ and I apply it and it's so nice. Like oh my god, you smell so yummy, so delicious, so delicious. It's sweet, okay, it's like a dessert, but it met a flower somewhere in between. That's how you will smell. Very feminine, very beautiful. You will get complimented if you apply this body butter and if you apply a nice sweet note perfume. That will be such a good combo. अभी तक मैंने perfume अभी launch हुआ है, just recently launch हुआ है, अभी तक मैंने इसको perfume के साथ लगा के कोई combo experiment नहीं किया है. But first I used the body butter, got obsessed, got complimented on, then I used the shower gel, and then I loved having my showers with this. It's an oil shower gel, so it's a shower oil. मुझे पहले लगा कि body oil है, but नहीं, it's a shower oil. आप oily texture आएगा, and then you can wash your body with this, and you smell incredible. Your shower will smell like an expensive spa. You will smell great after that, and the texture is so soft that you will not have dry skin after it. So amazing texture plus beautiful bottle to keep in my shower. My shower looks expensive because of this, and then I keep the roll-on also in the shower, and again antiperspirant, बिल्कुल sweat नहीं आएगा. You'll smell good throughout the day, and it's a beautiful, like the entire fragrance range is the same in the entire category, and like I love it. Okay, this is my favorite Sol de Janeiro range so far ever launched, and I know they are expensive, but if you have the money, spend it. This is also another Sol de Janeiro product that I love. It's the sunscreen Rio Radiance SPF 50 body lotion. Again, when I went to Andaman, when I was wearing these sleeveless dresses and my swimsuits and stuff, I was applying this generously. It has shimmer, so it looks great in photos, and then it has SPF 50. मतलब और क्या ही चाहिए? Plus, it smells so good. तो अगर आपने perfume नहीं भी लगाया है, it will smell and it will look like. I think the Sol de Janeiro body butters and the body lotions have a better perfume, long-lasting effect than the mists. इसलिए mist आपको दिखेगी ही नहीं in my collection, because I think the mist is so expensive, like 2,600, 3,000 almost, and the mist does not last. That is the thing about body mist. Body mist का fragrance कभी भी long lasting नहीं होता है, कोई भी. Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, Sol de Janeiro. Now I've realized that body mists are become a waste of money and they're just lying and ऐसा कुछ कर नहीं रहे. मतलब मेरे पास इतने body mists है, but mostly I just apply perfume and that's it. But body lotions on the other hand, when they have fragrance, that with your perfume makes it such a great combo for long lasting effect that even a body mist can't do. So that's why there's no body mist over here from any category. Then I already mentioned about Moisture Surge. I told you I'm a loyalist, and then now Moisture Surge went ahead and launched a serum. Like Clinique, what did you do with this? It's so good. I just started using it. I've not seen any difference to my skin. अभी तक उसने मेरे लिए कुछ किया नहीं है, but इसका texture इतना अच्छा है. So it has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and AHA. It does not break you out even if it has vitamin C. It's a stable form, I think. It didn't break me out. Very hydrating. Like if you have dry skin, you will love it. It's super hydrating. It's not like the Moisture Surge texture. It's not gel-like. I would not say it is something कि आपको feel नहीं होगा skin में. इसको लगाने के बाद आपको feel होगा कि आपने कुछ लगाया है. I wouldn't say it's the most lightweight product also. It does take some time to absorb. It will leave that glowy finish. But I think if you have dry skin, which I've been having, you're gonna love this. And I think it treated my dryness definitely, because it has hyaluronic acid. Like this with the Moisture Surge is the ultimate dry skin combo, and I mean the serum is definitely something. Then my CeraVe hydrating nourishing cream, the big tub, I finished this and I have to buy a refill. It's a thick cream for your dry body patches. I apply a generous amount of of this on my legs mainly, because my legs, when they get dry, they look very unflattering, and I do wear a lot of like dresses, and I like my legs to look very shiny. I have long legs, I want them to look shiny and nicely hydrated, and I mostly use my creams on my legs. And this is over. I have to buy this, and I would recommend you buy it too. It's a great body cream for, like, these are products which are expensive, but needless to say, they're worth the money. That's the only reason I'm telling y'all that y'all need to get your hands on this, especially. Beauty of Joseon's sunscreen. Oh my god, I can write poems and songs about this sunscreen. It is so good. It is so good. The texture is super user friendly. It's so soft. It melts into the skin. The SPF is long lasting. Same thing, like 50 plus, PA4 plus. It's got rice and probiotics. It's great for redness. It's great for inflamed skin, and you will just love using it. It's such a good sunscreen. I really want to try the new one जो इन्होंने launch किया है, वो Myntra पे I think available है. But I was hearing like really good reviews and seeing really good reviews on Nykaa on Instagram Reels. So I want to try the blue one too. एक बार ये दोनों खत्म हो जाएगी, I'll buy the blue one. But this is something I love as of now. Then I got the Laneige Water Bank Cream Moisturizer. This is also a very good moisturizer if you have dry to oily to combination skin. I think all skin types will love it. It's creamy, but it's very fast absorbing, and it's a lovely texture and very, very nice. Like, the fragrance is almost not there. Like, you won't be able to smell the fragrance of this. ये mini है, इसका बड़ा size आता होगा, but I bought a mini and it's a very nice moisturizer. So I wanted to give it a huge shout. Like, I finished it. आप देख सकते हो, it's almost empty. I don't know if you can see, but it's almost empty. Then the Belief Lip Serum. You know I'm in my Korean skincare era, so I'm going to mention a lip mask which is obnoxiously expensive, but oh my god, so freaking good. I have never in my life used a lip mask which is so nice. Like, Laneige got nothing on this. It is so hydrating. It's so thick, and it's that lip balm कि आप एक बार इसको लगाओगे ना, फिर you don't have to apply again. Like, I feel like any other lip balm I put, मैं बार बार लगाती रहती हूँ, but इसको लगाने के बाद मैं रात को बस I'm effortlessly just sleeping, and then morning I wake up to the most juicy lips and hydrated lips, and so good. And even the packaging, it's this twist packaging, और फिर ऊपर से थोड़ा सा लो, अच्छे से लगाओ. It's a glass like lips लगते हैं, and बहुत बहुत अच्छा lip serum है. Like, I was not expecting it to be so good, but now I'm like, wow, this is so good. Then I again fell in love with this. ये बहुत पहले मैं use करती थी, and then I just forgot about it. But when my makeup was not looking good recently because of dry skin, I decided to just go through my vanity and reinvent products that I've never used. And then that's when I pulled this out and applied a nice generous mist. And उसके बाद मैंने makeup की. बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था makeup. Like, if you have dry skin, you will love this for pre-makeup prep. Like, it's the Rose Glow Mist from Pixi. रोज का फ्रेग्रेंस है इसमें, एंड इसका मिस्ट देखो कितना फाइन है. इट्स एक्जैक्टली लाइक मैं पैक एक सारा मिस्ट. इट्स वेरी फाइन. आई लव सच मिस्ट बॉटल्स. नॉट जस्ट के लगाया और छोड़ दिया, अच्छे से स्किन को हाइड्रेट करेगा, एंड देन यू अप्लाई योर मेकअप एंड यू आर गोना लुक so good. And last product is going to be my Huda Beauty brown eyeshadow palette. I think one eyeshadow palette, if you need एक और उसी से आपका काम हो जाएगा. दिस इज इट. जस्ट बाय दिस. लाइक, जैसे मैंने पैक का आपको बोला कि वो थोड़ा ब्राइडल साइड पे, उसमें थोड़ी ज्यादा चमकी है, उसमें ज्यादा वैरायटी है, ये आपका गो टू होगा. इसके साथ मैं हमेशा ट्रैवल करती हूँ. ये एक्चुअली मही ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया था, एंड उसके बाद से आई ट्रैवल्ड ऑन इट इन ऑल माय ट्रिप्स, एंड आई थिंक इट्स सच अ गुड वन. इट्स अ कैरेमल ब्राउन वन. ऑल द ब्राउन्स आर डिफरेंट. दे लुक रियली गुड. टुडे आई हैव अप्लाइड दिस ब्राउन आई शैडो एंड जस्ट पुट काजल एंड स्मोक्ड इट आउट, एंड सच अ नाइस like flush of color, and all of the shimmers are also very pretty. This is one of my favorite shimmers, so I think it's a worth the money palette. It's not very expensive also. I think the small palettes come for 1500 something. It's a caramel brown obsessions palette. It's available on Nykaa, and it's very, very good from Huda Beauty. Okay, last 3 products in the makeup section, and 2 of them are concealers. The concealer I used recently in a Get Ready With Me on Shorts, और सारे लोग पूछ रहे थे आपने कौन सा concealer लगाया, because खाली 2 डॉट लगाया and पूरा face conceal हो गया. Is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I use the shade Warm Sand, and this will act like your foundation if you just use it as like थोड़ा थोड़ा डॉट लगाओ और पूरा फेस ब्लेंड कर दो. Honestly, I always say कि it can hide your sins. That's the kind of coverage Too Faced Born This Way products have. Even the foundation and even the concealer. But I use the concealer a lot more because it does the job of a foundation too. It's thick, and you're getting a very, like, this is one of the fattest concealers I own. So even if you're spending a bomb, you're getting a very good quantity. I have 2, and मेरे आज तक कोई भी खत्म नहीं हुए. Whereas Huda अभी मेरा खत्म हो गया. Like, I bought this and वो खत्म हो चुका है. तो अभी ये पूरा का पूरा concealer खत्म हो गया. it's more hydrating. This is more matte. I wanted to give a shout out to both because both are very well loved and most used and very expensive, I understand, but slightly I think Huda is slightly cheaper, but you're getting less quantity. But if you want a hydrating concealer, this is the one for you, and I have the shade Brittle. Even I'm going to repurchase it, so I wanted to give it a quick shout out. And now y'all know my obsession with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder. But oh my god, Smashbox went ahead and launched this new powder. It's the Always On Skin Balancing Setting Powder. And I've not stopped using it. Ever since it launched, I have only been using this powder. It comes with a very flimsy puff. I think this is not at all luxurious. Like ये मतलब बहुत ही ऐसा सस्ती क्वालिटी का puff दिया है उन्होंने. But जो powder में I feel like सारा पैसा उन्होंने powder में लगा दिया. Puff में एकदम cheap out किया है because the powder is so finely milled and it is beautiful. It comes in colors. So the shade they sent me, this has come in PR. This shade they sent me is translucent medium and it's so blurring. It blurs your pores. It makes your under eyes look so flawless, and it's because it's my skin color, it's not overly brightening. It's nice. It sets beautifully and it makes your makeup very long lasting. Plus, if you have dry under eyes, like I was going through dry skin patches and it was not overly drying. Like Huda can get sometimes overly drying on the skin, and this one is like I'm obsessed with this formula. I've been using it every day ever since I got it and I'm obsessed. I can't keep it down. So if you're looking for a good new loose powder and you want to spend some cash, get this. Like translucent medium is the shade I have and it's really good. Like Smashbox of course makes really good base products too. I wish the powder puff was also great quality. I mean, you know, when you're paying that price you should get everything good, but the powder itself, like if you don't want to use that puff and just use my Pack Sara wala, that triangle puff, that's the perfect way. वैसे ही लगाती हूँ मैं, brush से नहीं लगाती. I think I want to bake a little bit and then just dust it off with a brush. That's how I like to use my powders. But that's it. That's everything that I had to recommend for y'all. Alrighty guys, that was it for some of the beauty products that I'm absolutely loving right now. I would highly recommend all of them, of course. That's why I wanted to share it with you girls. And if y'all want to shop anything, all the links are in the description box. I wanted to keep it short, but I have this problem that I talk a lot. So I hope you enjoyed nonetheless. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sasko shout goes to Yasmin Ratlamwa. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part next to Sasko shout, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And you can transfer my next video, Sarah Squad shout. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys, love you.